Depression can worsen as a result of a nutritional unbalance. For example, if you consume too many sweets for too long, you create a hormonal imbalance that affects your psyche and mood. In these cases, the body needs chromium and vitamin B1 to metabolize glucose. Vitamin B1 deficiency alone can cause depression. The most relevant sources of vitamin B1 are wheat sprouts, whole grains, yeasts, and in smaller quantities, nuts, milk, and egg yolk. This vitamin is destroyed by coffee, alcohol, and birth control pills. Excess copper can also have a psychic influence and generate a tendency towards depression. It is therefore necessary not to exceed the consumption of peanuts and to take antidotes against excess copper, such as zinc and vitamin C. Therefore, it is advisable to consume oysters, horse meat, whole grains, egg yolk, liver, fish, mollusks, and crustaceans. Apricots, clay and cabbage are recommended against nervous depression and over-fatigue. In case of anxiety, it is helpful to implement the consumption of magnesium. Very anxious individuals have an increased magnesium requirement of up to 500 milligrams per day. Alcohol consumption leads to losses of magnesium. Foods rich in magnesium are cocoa, dark chocolate, whole grains, oily fruits, shellfish, and dried legumes.